Welcome to Smee Life. Today I'm working on building or creating my own knife. Never done it before, so it's like, I want to see if I can make a knife. So let's get to it. First, I drew my pattern onto a piece of paper. I cut it out. Now I'm going to trace my paper cutout to a cardboard piece, trace that, cut the cardboard piece, put it on a piece of metal, hold it down, and cut and trace my cardboard cutout onto the metal. So let's get started. So here's my cutout piece from my paper. I drew out my shape I wanted. I hope that's good enough. So then what I did was put some masking tape. I just folded it over, stuck it to the back. Now all I do is put it on this piece of cardboard here. Tape's there, hopefully, so my pattern doesn't move. Then I'll just take this nice purple marker and trace it. Trace my pattern on there. Now just cut it out of the cardboard. Voila. There we go. Now I got my cardboard cut out. Now I'm going to put it on this piece of metal right here. Trace it onto my metal. And then this metal, I just went to my local hardware store and just picked it up. I don't even know what kind of metal it is. So let's go ahead and trace this. So my pattern doesn't move, I'm going to put some more masking tape on it. Just take your masking tape, fold it over. Stick it right on there. Smash it down. That's good. Let's put it there. Masking tape just to make sure your pattern doesn't move. There, I put my pattern along the edge of the metal here, so that can be my straight blade part. Let's go ahead and just trace it on here. Remove the pattern. And there we have it. Now I'm just going to take my hacksaw and cut right along there. Whew. That's a hot blade. Whew. There we go. Now I got a smaller piece of metal to work with than instead of a big long piece. So I used the hacksaw to cut that little corner off. And as you can see, I started cutting. Yes, I'm eating a sucker. Right here, I started cutting with the hacksaw. So I'm going to keep following this line, come about there, and cut down, and boom, have that little piece off. And then we'll cut this piece here. And yeah, and we'll just keep going and cutting the knife shape out. Voila! Look at that. Starting to take shape like a knife. Cool. It's looking good so far. I got my knife all cut out the basic shape. Now I'm going to use my bench grinder here. Clean up these edges here all the way around till I get a nice little smooth knife looking shape like I like it. So far I think it's turning out pretty good. When working with power tools like a bench grinder, you don't want those sparks or any debris getting in your eyes. So always wear eye protection, safety glasses. I mean, if you want, you can even put a full face shield on with safety glasses for double protection. So let's get grinding. So here is my knife. It's all smooth there, it's cleaned up. There's the basic shape of my knife. Feels pretty good, you know. As you notice, when I was grinding, I was also wearing leather gloves because this metal conducts heat, so the whole piece gets pretty hot and you don't want to burn your hands. Then what are you gonna do? Can't make knives, you got burnt hands. Whew, that wouldn't be good. I'm liking it so far. There's my knife. Well, old Smee is doing a giveaway. I am going to give away this paracord keychain. To be eligible to win this keychain, all you have to do is be subscribed to Smee Life, like the knife making videos, which there's going to be part 1, 2, 3, and 4. Watch all of them. Like each video and comment on each video and share the videos. And that's all you got to do to be eligible to win this paracord keychain. And I'll be posting the knife making videos throughout this week. And then I'll make one more video to announce the winner of the paracord keychain. And I'll ship it directly to you. And as always, thanks for watching, and old Smee will see you on the next video.